Okay, how is Ian molting? I'm just sitting here looking at him. You're molting.
He's molting.
He's not molting.
He is clearly molting.
I'm not goddamn molting. What the hell does that mean? What the hell is your problem? I'm like,
Our next review is Virtual Fireplace.
Oh, that's
my
gonna be a
God.
fireplace. That's all it's gonna be.
Oh my. Jesus.
Why are we inventing? No, I'm kidding. Oh,
Stop
okay.
touching my things.
Why are you touching his thing?
I know.
Oh,
Like this one time, he started humping my floor.
Oh God.
When
I
did
know.
I hump your floor? I'm not
Remember?
joking.
That's
In that review,
disgusting.
he started humping my floor. He went on the floor,
Ew.
went into that position like this, but on the floor, and then he started moving his pelvis back and forth. Back and forth.
No, I didn't hump your
Oh,
floor.
that reminds me. Okay,
You stupid retard.
in gym today, we had these like blue ball things that
Yeah.
you did too. So Jared,
I didn't hump the ball. If you
Yes,
said
you
no,
did.
I
Yes,
didn't.
you did.
No, I didn't.
what is this?
Fireplace. Virtual fireplace.
What is it actually?
Virtual fireplace.
I said first. That
We're going to
sound.
do this review too,
What?
That
You've already
drive
messed up
and
Snow Day.
sound.
and Zen's 360.
How did I mess it up?
I know.
Because you're inviting Damien to the party and doing all these things that's totally unrelated, mirroring what we're supposed
Okay,
to do.
I'm just gonna stop playing.
Okay.
Okay, let's play. After this, you wanna play Avatar Drop?
What the hell is that?
It's a little bird.
I know. What is this, Twitter? Like, what the hell is this? Twitter? Oh my
Oh
god.
God, I'm falling!
And get off.
Falling!
I'm
Okay,
grabbing
I'm
your
good.
bolting arm. Oh,
Yo, stop
weird.
following.
Oh yes.
Alright, virtual fireplace.
Oh my god, if it's just yes. What do I do? What do I do?
Is that your guy?
Yeah, this is me.
Is he gay? No, I'm just kidding.
What do I do? Do I just walk around? Are you retarded? What? Dylan! This is fun, actually. Do I light the fire?
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm talking to my friend. Yo. What's happening, bro, sis?
I bet you're not talking to him.
It's all good, it's all good.
Yo, look.
Oh, yo, I phoned that guy. Yeah, we were playing all yesterday.
You're not even on the phone, Ian.
Yeah, I am talking to my bro.
Okay,
Playing all.
so
Crispy.
you must be purchasing.
Okay. Yo, Jared. You have to get League of
Yes.
Legends. Okay.
Okay. Yes, I lit
And then we can,
the fire.
Nice.
and then we can play together.
Alright, what's the next mission?
Oh, I make it smaller. Oh, I make it even smaller. Oh, no. Yay! Fire!
Make it bigger.
Whoa! Whoa! 360 no scope!
We all have to get League of Legends and play 3 vs 3.
What the hell is League of Legends?
Best game.
You Dylan! Dylan!
Yeah.
Woohoo! Ha ha!
That's like from what the?
Yeah, it's from what the? Anyone knows our other reviews?
Shut up!
What did I do?
You did a lot of things to the world. Of poverty. Okay, I'm trying. Can I play? Can I play? Let Ian play.
Ian, you want to play?
Yes, I want to play. Wait, can I play with this one?
No. Let's play with his retarded avatar. Burn yourself.
Yeah, press this button.
No, don't
you
buy it.
You don't buy it. You stupid down.
Press B.
Why are you so retarded?
Yo, I wanna play. It looks fun.
It's not.
Can I
Hey,
play?
tapping!
No,
He's
I'm playing.
tapping!
I'm playing.
Ah.
I'm
Play,
playing.
make him go woohoo.
I'm playing.
Ah!
I wouldn't even rather play Halo.
You
Give me the controller, thank you.
You dumber fox.
Alright. This game's actually kind of fun.
It's just my avatar walking around. Yo, we should play Avatar Drop and
No.
make it like an actual thing. Do you wanna? You get such buzzkills.
That's crazy helmet.
And he takes no action.
I had that helmet.
It's Neil's helmet.
But then my mom got
Got
a
a
job.
Oh,
Okay, you want to do the verdict now?
Oh yeah, sure. I'm
All right.
3.
Verdict number one would give this game probably a 96%.
Oh, fuck.
Verdict number 2, Jared, stop sleeping on my bed, man.
I didn't do anything. I thought Ian was vertical.
Why are you drooling on his bed? That's
I know.
disgusting.
Are you like
Get off of me! What the hell?
Okay, what verdict number 2?
I think the verdict would be a 98%.
Alright, and verdict number 3?
I think this is a shit.
Yo, fuck you. It's a sick game.
This is the shit ball. The ball shit balls. Okay?
So do you have a percent?
That's 5%.
Shit balls?
Yeah.
What's the percent?
Shit balls percent.
25.
25%?
Wait, can I adjust your screen? 1 sec.
No.
Wait, no, can I adjust the screen? Pretty please? Why not? Give me my remote back.
Is it yours?
No.
I know.
It's Daggly Waggly's.
Does it
Thanks
have
for
your
watching.
name on it?
This has been
A
virtual-
jiggly, iggly, diggly review.
a jiggly, diggly, iggly.
So what's my nickname again?
Iggly.
Ian the Wower?
Iggly. Ian the Wower.
That's what Charles calls me.
Ian the Wower.
No, he just calls me Wow.
No, he calls you Avatar.
Avatar Ian.
Avatar
He
Ian.
calls me like Ian the Wow Avatar.
Addict.
Addict.
Oh, Tiger's the wild Cajun. No, Tiger's the
Ostralification, wild animal, ala suicide bomber, VX.
Okay, could you move like
I know, like Jesus.
I'm like falling off?
I know,
Yeah,
like that.
look, you're good.
How does that make him? Oh my.
Yeah, you're like on me. And I'm like,
Alright, this is the list of the next games are about to review. The next
Plasma
one,
TV break-in.
yes, that's our next one.
Awesome. Okay, let's right now.